Hey, what if everything you've been through, your challenges, your wins, your weird detours, and life lessons, could become the foundation of a profitable online brand? You don't need to be famous. You don't need to be a 20-something influencer. You just need one thing: a story worth sharing, and the courage to share it. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to take your life experiences and turn them into content, products, and a personal brand that actually makes money. Sound good? Let's get into it. All right, let's get one thing clear. People don't follow brands. They follow stories. They follow people who've been through something and are now showing others the way. That could be overcoming burnout after 20 years in a job you hated, or it could be raising kids while building a side hustle. It could be navigating life after divorce or retirement or health issues. Or it could be figuring out tech and content creation or online business later in life. Kind of like what's happening on this channel. Real life, real talk, and real results. If you've been through something and learned something, that experience has value, and people are searching for it every day. So if you're going to turn your experience into a brand, you need to ask, what am I really helping people with? Try a framework like this. I help whoever it is with whatever it is by sharing how you do it. So for example, I help new empty nesters rediscover their identity using content creation. Or I help professionals over 40 build online income streams through their stories. Or I help people heal from burnout and build peaceful businesses. Don't overthink it. Clarity beats perfection every time. Once you know what you stand for, your brand becomes magnetic. Now, when it comes to choosing a platform, keep in mind you do not have to be everywhere. You're going to burn out if you try to do that. Just start where your voice feels the most natural. If you like talking, YouTube or a podcast might be a good fit. If you like writing, maybe a blog or a newsletter would be a good idea for you. And if you like visual storytelling, perhaps it's Instagram or TikTok. Your platform is your stage, but your message is what keeps people coming back. And remember, consistency is far more important than perfection. One clear voice over time equals gaining brand power. You need to build up some trust, and once people trust you, they'll want to go deeper, and that is where the monetization happens. So here are 3 easy ways to turn your experiences into offers. One is digital products. So you could create a simple guide or a checklist or a mini course. For example, my YouTube content blueprint that I have in the description box of many of my videos on this channel is a digital product I built to help people over 40 navigate YouTube and get it working for them. And it's a simple digital download, a PDF that I put a $29 price tag on. And most people are willing to part with a small amount of money for something that is going to be extremely valuable to them. Of course, you could offer coaching or consulting, one-to-one calls, and share your process. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to be a few steps ahead of your audience, and then you are a relative expert to them. So for example, I do offer coaching, and I always put those links in the description box of my videos. And a 50-minute session with me is $120 right now anyway. But I'm not a $500 an hour guy yet because my channel just isn't that big. I don't have that huge of an audience yet. When I coach people who typically want to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, which is a path I've already walked, and in hindsight looks a whole lot easier than what I learned along the way and the mistakes I had to work through. So I can do that, but I can't coach you to 10,000 subscribers yet. And the people who have 10 or 20 or 30 or 50,000 subscribers, I know some are charging $500 an hour, or in some cases more. So that's kind of how it works, is the more you become known as an expert and the more credibility and trust you gain, the more you can raise your prices. And the third way is affiliate marketing, where you recommend the tools or the books or the systems that have helped you. And if your audience trusts your story, then they're likely to trust your suggestions, and that's very powerful because they're likely to want to try those things, and you can earn a small commission if they choose to purchase those things that you have used successfully yourself and recommended. The key really is that people do not pay for information, they pay for transformation. So the way you package your experience is what makes it valuable. So instead of saying, here's what happened to me, say, here's how you can avoid my mistakes, or here's how you can get the result it took me years to figure out. Every story you tell should lead to a lesson or an insight or an action step for the viewer. That's when your brand shifts from being just relatable to actually being profitable. Now, what if you're starting late or feeling unqualified? Well, that ties into my whole mission on this channel, because this is the part where people tend to stop themselves and they will tell themselves in their mind, gee, I'm too late to start, or nobody cares about my story, or there are people way more successful than me that people would rather tune into on social media. But here's the truth. You are not too late. You're right on time for someone who needs your voice. There is a massive audience of people over 40 or 50 or 60 plus who want content from someone like them, not just another 20-year-old in a hoodie. So if you're wondering whether your story is worth building a brand around, it is. So let's wrap this up nicely for you and put a bow on it. If you want to turn your life experiences into a profitable online brand, just own your story, even the messy and the imperfect stuff, because it is a powerful truth. Get clear on who you help and how, and pick a platform that feels good to you, something you're going to be comfortable creating content on. And create content that turns into products or coaching or affiliate income. Then position your story as a solution, not just a diary of things that you've done. Of course, if you need some help getting started, I've got a ton of resources in the description box below, a bunch of different free and paid options for you to go through. Take a look at those and let me know in the comments, what part of your life do you think would make the most powerful brand? I'd love to hear your story. And of course, subscribe if you want more videos like this. You've got this. Let's build your brand one story at a time. And check out one of these helpful videos next. I'll see you there.